Yeah. All right, you guys. This is part 2 of the video. We're gonna continue the installation, installing the amp subs, and hopefully we can get it all installed today. Let's go. All right, my people. That's what we did so far to the wiring. Got that hooked up to the positive, and then I added an extra ground wire. I got it hooked to there, extra ground and the positive. And next thing I gotta do the big 3. I need to put a wire from there to the battery, and then ground, put an additional ground. So we're gonna do that right now. All right, we got everything wired in. The big 3 is done, the wires are in. The big 3 going from there to the alternator, and then we got a ground, put the alternator, ground to there. The big 3 is done. All you Jeep people out there, this is what we got to do to produce high power systems. You got the big 3, you know, because you see the little factory wire, that's nothing. That little factory wire, that's nothing. So we got to upgrade the wiring so we can get maximum juice. It takes power to make power. Yeah, now let's go to the back and start getting that together. All right, my people, got it all hooked up. I know the wires look like a mess, but we'll get it all cleaned up. We got it all hooked up now. Let's see if it's gonna turn on. Yeah, let's see. Hopefully we get some power, something. Let's see here. We go ahead and put the key in the ignition, and let's see. Let's see. Oh yeah, we got some power, baby. All the power lights is on. All right, we got some power. Yeah, okay. That's what I'm talking about, okay. We got some power now. Okay, yeah. All right, my people, this is all hooked up. We got it all hooked up, baby. Yeah, it's gonna clean the wires up, and we got the Skar EVL 12s hooked up. Yeah, them things bumping good. So yeah, we're gonna tighten up the wires and put everything in, and yeah. All right, this is the finished product. Everything is in there. The subs, we got them up this way because they wouldn't fit the other way, and behind there all the amps. See all the amps, everything sitting behind there, all that sitting behind there. Yeah, everything put together. Everything. Everything's intact. Yeah, that's my little bass knob right there. Put the bass knob right there. Oh yeah. Yep, that's how it looks in the back. Yepper. And guess what? We gotta do some demos. Yeah. I'm excited about the demos, ain't y'all? So that was my build. That's the end of the build. It's all good to go. So next thing we gotta do some demos. Yeah, some demos. So that'll be in the next video. Keep basing, y'all.